शंकर जी की जटा से निकले निर्मल गंगा पानी। कोई कहे तुझे गंगा माता, कोई कहे महारानी। शंकर जी की जटा से निकले निर्मल गंगा पानी। कोई कहे तुझे गंगा माता, कोई कहे महारानी, कोई कहे महारानी। तोहे निश्चय फूल चढ़ाए जो तेरी आरती गावे, वो सुख शांति पावे जो तेरी आरती गावे। जय जय गंगा माता जो तेरी आरती गावे, वो सुख शांति पावे जो तेरी आरती गावे। हर हर गंगे जय माँ गंगे, हर हर गंगे जय माँ गंगे, हर हर गंगे जय माँ गंगे, हर हर गंगे जय माँ गंगे। ओम जय गंगे माता, श्री जय गंगे माता। जो नर तुझको ध्याता, जो नर तुझको ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता, जय गंगे माता, श्री जय गंगे माता। जो नर तुझको ध्याता, जो नर तुझको ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता। चंद्र सी ज्योत तुम्हारी, जल निर्मल आता। मैया जल निर्मल आता। शरण पड़े जो तेरी, शरण पड़े जो तेरी, सोनर तर जाता। ओम जय गंगे माता। पुत्र सगर के तारे, सब जग को ज्ञाता। मैया सब जग को ज्ञाता। कृपा दृष्टि तुम्हारी, कृपा दृष्टि तुम्हारी, त्रिभुवन सुख दाता। ओम जय गंगे माता। एक ही बार जो तेरी शरणागति आता, मैया शरणागति आता। यम की जो जननी गाता, दास वही सहज में, दास वही सहज में मुक्ति को पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता, ओम जय गंगे माता, श्री जय गंगे माता। जो नर तुझको ध्याता, जो नर तुझको ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता, जय गंगे माता, श्री जय गंगे माता। जो नर तुझको ध्याता, जो नर तुझको ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता, ओम जय गंगे माता, ओम जय गंगे माता, ओम जय गंगे माता।
ओम श्री सद्गुरु परमात्मने नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु परमात्मने नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु भगवान शिवानंदाय नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु भगवान शिवानंदाय नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः। गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्ति, पूजामूलं गुरोर्पदम्, मंत्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यम्, मोक्षमूलं गुरोर्कृपा। मोक्षमूलं शिवानन्दाकृपा। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं, द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम्। एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं, भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। यस्यान्तर्नादिमध्यं न हि करचरणं, नाम गोत्रं न सूत्रं, नो जातिर्नैव वर्णं, न भवति पुरुषो नो नपुंसं न च स्त्री। नाकारं नो विकारं, न हि जननं मरणं, नास्ति पुण्यं न पापं, नो तत्त्वं तत्त्वमेकं सहज समरसं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। चैतन्यं शाश्वतं शान्तं व्योमातीतं निरञ्जनं, नादबिन्दुकलातीतं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानमूलहरणं जन्मकर्मनिवारणं, ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यार्थं गुरोपादोदकं पिबेत्। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं, तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये, विश्वपञ्चाय शान्ताय निरालम्बाय तेजसे। नित्यशुभं निराभासं निराकारं निरञ्जनं, नित्यबोधं चिदानन्दं गुरुब्रह्मा नमाम्यहम्। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने, व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। निधये सर्वविद्यानां विषजे भवरोगिणां, गुरवे सर्वलोकानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये दक्षिणामूर्ते नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरुदेव की जय।
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश
पाहि मां। श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश रक्ष मां। जय सरस्वती जय सरस्वती जय सरस्वती पाहि मां। श्री सरस्वती श्री सरस्वती श्री सरस्वती रक्ष मां। जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा पाहि मां। जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा रक्ष मां। जय श्री काली जय श्री काली जय श्री काली पाहि मां। जय श्री काली जय श्री काली जय श्री काली रक्ष मां। जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी पाहि मां। जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी रक्ष मां।
सरवण भव सरवण भव
सरवण भव पाहि मां। सुब्रह्मण्य 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 रक्ष मां। दत्तात्रेय 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 पाहि मां। दत्त गुरु रक्ष मां। शिवानंद 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 पाहि मां। शिवानंद 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 रक्ष मां। जय गुरु शिव गुरु हरि गुरु राम। जगत गुरु परम गुरु सद्गुरु श्याम। आदि गुरु अद्वैत गुरु आनंद गुरु ओम। चित गुरु चिन्मय गुरु चिन्मया गुरु ओम। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। जय राधे श्याम जय जय राधे श्याम। जय राधे श्याम जय जय राधे श्याम। जय हनुमान जय जय हनुमान। जय हनुमान जय जय हनुमान। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। शिवानंदा शिवानंदा सद्गुरुनाथा। शिवानंदा 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 सद्गुरुनाथा। शिवानंदा 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 सद्गुरुनाथा। शिवानंदा। जय गुरुदेव दयानिधि दीन हितकारी। जय जय मोह विनाशक भवबंधनहारी। जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव। ब्रह्मा विष्णु सदा शिव गुरु मूर्तिधारी। वेद पुराण बखानत गुरु महिमा भारी। जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव। जप तप तीरथ संयम दान विरत दीने। गुरु बिन ज्ञान न होवे बोधि जतन कीने। जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव। माया मोहन दी जल जीव बहे सारी। काम क्रोध मद मत्सर चोर बड़े भारी, ज्ञान खड्ग ने कर में गुरु सब संहारे। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। नाना पंथ जगत में निज निज गुण गावे, सबका सार बताकर गुरु मार्ग लावे। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। गुरु चरणामृत निर्मल सब बाधक हारी, वचन सुनत तम नाशे सब संशय दारी। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। तन मन धन सब अर्पण गुरु चरणन की जय। शिवानंद परम पद मोक्ष गति लीजे। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। ओम जय गुरुदेव दयानिधि दीन हितकारी। जय जय मोह विनाशक भवबंधनहारी। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव।
O adorable Lord of mercy and love, salutations and prostrations unto thee. Thou art omnipresent, omnipotent and omniscient. Thou art Sachidananda. Thou art the indweller of all beings. Grant us an understanding heart, equal vision, balanced mind, faith, devotion and wisdom. Grant us inner spiritual strength to resist temptations and to control the mind. Free us from egoism, lust, greed, anger and hatred. Fill our hearts with divine virtues. Let us behold thee in all these names and forms. Let us serve thee in all these names and forms. Let us ever remember thee. Let us be ever loyal to thee. Let us ever sing thy glories. Let thy name be ever on our lips. Let us abide in thee forever and ever. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. O all-merciful Gurudev, every thought of my mind, every emotion of my heart, every movement of my being, every feeling and every sensation, each cell of my body, each drop of my blood, all is yours, Gurudev, yours absolutely, yours without any reserve. Gurudev, you can decide my life or my death, my happiness or my sorrow, my pleasure or my pain. Gurudev, whatever you do with me, whatever comes to me from you, will lead me to your lotus feet. Gurudev, you have provided us with the best facilities in the world for our spiritual growth. May we take full advantage of this precious gift of yours, Gurudev. May we look upon the ashram and all its contents as your body and treat them with love and reverence. This is our heartfelt prayer to you, Gurudev. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Deva Sivananda Dinabandhu Pahi Maam. Deva Deva Sivananda Dinabandhu Pahi Maam. Chandravadana Mandahasa Premarupa Rakshama. Chandravadana मन्दहास प्रेमरूपा रक्ष माम् मधुरगीता गानलोला ज्ञानरूपा पाहि माम् मधुरगीता गानलोला ज्ञानरूपा पाहि माम् समस्त लोका पूजिताय मोहनंगा रक्ष माम् समस्त लोका पूजिताय मोहनंगा रक्ष माम् दिव्य गंगा तीरवासा दानशीला पाहि माम् दिव्य गंगा तीरवासा दानशीला पाहि माम् पापहरण पुण्यशीला परम पुरुषा रक्ष माम् पापहरण पुण्यशीला परम पुरुषा रक्ष माम् भक्तयोगा हृदयवासा स्वामीनाथ पाहि माम् भक्तयोगा हृदयवासा स्वामीनाथ पाहि माम् चित्स्वरूपा चिदानन्दा नमः शिवाय रक्ष माम् चित्स्वरूपा चिदानन्दा नमः शिवाय रक्ष माम् शिवानन्दा 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 पाहि माम् शिवानन्दा 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 पाहि माम् शिवानन्दा 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 रक्ष माम् शिवानन्दा 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 रक्ष माम् सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय पाहि माम् सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय पाहि माम् सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय रक्ष माम् सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय रक्ष माम् गंगारानी 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 पाहि माम् गंगारानी 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 पाहि माम् भागीरथी 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 रक्ष माम् भागीरथी 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 रक्ष माम् देवा देवा शिवानन्दा दीनबन्धो पाहि माम् देवा देवा शिवानन्दा दीनबन्धो पाहि माम् चन्द्रवदन मन्दहास प्रेमरूपा रक्ष माम् चन्द्रवदन मन्दहास प्रेमरूपा रक्ष माम्
श्री राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम श्री राम जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम श्री राम जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम
Sri Ram
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, सबको गले से लगा के चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। जिसका न कोई संगी साथी, ईश्वर है रखवाला, जिसका न कोई संगी साथी, ईश्वर है रखवाला, जो निर्धन है जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा, जो निर्धन है जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा, प्यार का मोती प्यार का मोती लुटाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। आशा रूठी ममता रूठी, छूट गया है किनारा, आशा रूठी ममता रूठी, छूट गया है किनारा, बंद करो मत द्वार दया का, दे दो मुझको सहारा, बंद करो मत द्वार दया का, दे दो मुझको सहारा, दीप दया का दीप दया का जलाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते Deva, my salutation. Again and again, my salutation. Guru Deva, my salutation. Again and again, my salutation. Rama, 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 Sita. Rama, 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 Sita. He who came as Rama and Krishna, he who came as Shiva and Shakti, he who came as Shivananda, to him I make my salutation. Rama, 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 Sita. Rama, 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 Sita. He who is an ocean of love, he who is an ocean of mercy, he who is an ocean of compassion, to him I make my salutation. Rama, 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 Sita. Rama, 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 Sita. He who dwells in the hearts of all, he who controls the minds of all, he who directs the souls of all, to him I make my salutation. Rama, 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 Sita. Rama, 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 Sita. He who is my Guru Deva, he who is my mother and refuge, he who is my divine protector, to him I make my salutation. Rama, 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 Sita. Rama, 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 Sita. He whose actions are pure and selfless, he whose speech is comforting and soft, he whose looks are godlike and soothing, to him I make my salutation. Rama, 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 Sita. Rama, 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 दशरथ तिन्हु किय मन मीन रामा तिन्हु किय मन मीन सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम। ब्रह्म राम के नाम भर वरदायक वरदान रामा वरदायक वरदान रामचरित सतकोट महल प्रिय महेश जिय जान रामा प्रिय महेश जिय जान सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम। राम राम को कल्पतरु कलि कल्याण निवास रामा कलि कल्याण निवास जो सुमिरत भय भांगते तुलसी तुलसी दास रामा तुलसी तुलसी दास सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम। राम नाम नर केसरी कनक कसिपु कलिकाल रामा कनक कसिपु कलिकाल चापक जन प्रहलाद जी पालहि दल सुरसाल रामा पालहि दल सुरसाल सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम। राम अनंत अनंत गुण अमित कथा विस्तार रामा अमित कथा विस्तार सूर्या जल जुड़वानहि जिनके विमल विचार रामा जिनके विमल विचार सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम। राम कथा सुरधेनु सम सेवक सब सुखदान रामा सेवक सब सुखदान सत समाज सुरलोक सब कौन सुने अस जान रामा कौन सुने अस जान सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
Om Namo Bhagavate Sivanandaya. On behalf of our Divine Master, Sri Swami Shivananda and Pujai Swami Sahajananda, we extend a warm and cordial welcome to all to this, our February Sivananda Day Satsang. We also extend a special welcome to donors, well-wishers, devotees tuning in for the first time, and devotees from abroad. We read from Guru Bhakti Yoga by Sri Swami Sivananda. A disciple should take care of the properties of the Guru. He must be alert and vigilant in this duty. There is nothing in the three worlds that cannot be attained by the grace of a God-realized Guru. It is not possible for an aspirant to enter the spiritual path that leads to union with God unless he practices Guru Bhakti Yoga. Guru Bhakti Yoga is the master key to open the realm of Alcyon bliss. The avenue to supreme peace begins with practice of Guru Bhakti Yoga. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. Today's readings are by Sri Swami Shivananda. The first reading is from Peace, Your Birthright. All life is one. All life is one. The world is one home. One soul abides in all. There is one humanity and one brotherhood. There is one God. None is high, none is low. All are equal. Vain are distractions. Man-made barriers must be ruthlessly broken down. Then alone will there be lasting peace in this world. The next reading is from Swami Shivananda in Pictures. Intolerance. Intolerance is nothing but petty-mindedness. It is unreasonable dislike for the ways and opinions of others. A Sikh can take alcohol. To him, there is no harm in this. But he is intolerant if he sees others smoking. A South Indian Brahmin can take anything in a restaurant, but he is intolerant when he sees a Bengali taking fish. All the restlessness and fighting in this world of men take their origin in intolerance. An Englishman is intolerant of an Irishman or a German. A Hindu is intolerant of a Muslim, and vice versa. A Catholic is intolerant of a Protestant, and vice versa. An Arya Samajist is intolerant of a Sanatanist, and vice versa. One religious sect is intolerant of another. Each one claims to have the truth and nothing but the truth. It claims that God can be attained only through its path and not through others. All this is due to intolerance and ignorance. One who has realized God sees truth from all angles. He has an expanded heart. He is humble, forgiving, and tolerant. He knows that different teachings, practices, and approaches are necessary for different tastes, natures, and capacities. Fanaticism breeds the sense of superiority in one. Expand the heart. Love all. See God in all. Change the angle of vision. Be Catholic in your views. Respect all religions and teachers. Always appreciate the views of all. Destroy all barriers that separate. You will then have a large heart and enjoy everlasting peace and bliss. Revenge. Revenge is the desire to inflict injury in return. It is passion to hit back. The feeling of revenge, although in the mind, often breaks out in the form of violence and other means of causing pain, injury, and suffering to another. If someone injures you, ignore it. Forgive the person. Then the matter will be out of your mind. You will have peace of mind. The religion of love is opposite to revenge. Revenge is no valor. To bear insult and injury is indeed valor, strength, and conquest. Revenge returns and injures the person who harbors such a feeling. The spirit of revenge is the spirit of the devil. So do not allow yourself to follow the way of the devil. Be noble. Love the person who tries to injure you. Serve him. You will surely succeed in changing his heart. He is weak and may not know what he is really doing. Revenge heats the system and causes various diseases. It burns the heart and disturbs one's peace of mind. O youth, to you the attitude of love should be easy because you are still young. You are simple, pure, and innocent. You so easily forgive and forget. Your hearts are made of pure gold. You are indeed the pure light of God. See God in all, then there will be no place for revenge in your heart. Doctors tell us that many physical and mental ills are due to our unwillingness to forgive. Forgiveness is sweet and a healing balm. Keep it always with you. Om Tat Sat.
A visitor narrated to Swamiji the unhappy relation that existed between him and his wife, who was very disobedient to him, and sought Swamiji's advice. Swamiji replied, "Why did you marry? You have read my books and you know I always say, do not marry, do not marry." Swamiji then said, "You must also be obedient to her, satisfy her wishes. Let her stay in your father-in-law's house for a month." Swamiji also gave him bhasma to apply on his wife's forehead. So now you know what's the remedy. The man approached Swamiji and after prostrating prayed to Swamiji, "I want sannyas." Swamiji put him the usual questions regarding qualifications, etc. and then said, "Serve well, serve for 12 years, then I will give you sannyas." "Certainly I will serve," replied the young man. "Nothing pleases me so much as service," remarked Swamiji and added, "Serve well, I will see to your sannyas later." Looking at the young man who had earlier requested Swamiji to give him sannyas and whom Swamiji had asked to wait and serve, Swamiji said, "Prepare yourself for sannyas." "Do you know how to prepare for sannyas?" inquired Swamiji. And Swamiji himself answered, "This is how to prepare for sannyas. Even if you are beaten with a stick or shoes, you should remain silent like a block of stone. If you do not get food or tea from the langar, you should keep quiet. Even if you are made to starve for 2 days and beaten with shoes on the 3rd day, you should not complain. You should read Shiva Home and keep quiet." And the last one that we are going to read. Swamiji asked a visitor who prostrated before an elderly person in the presence of Swamiji, "What are the benefits of namaskars?" He replied, "It develops the feeling of oneness and leads to the attainment of the one being." The elderly man said, "Prostration develops humility." Then Swamiji said, "Yes, it develops humility. Prostration should be done to everything, even to excreta, stone and shoes." "Have you ever done this?" Swamiji questioned them and added, "I do it daily immediately I get up from bed in the morning. Everything is Chaitanya only. There is no such thing as jada. Outside a thing might be jada, that is insentient, but inside it is Chaitanya, it is pure consciousness. You must do prostration to the servant. You must prostrate before dogs and donkeys. There is a story of a Maharashtra saint. A donkey had died, and when he prostrated to the dead donkey, it was brought back to life on account of the intensity of his devotion. I purposely read this last because it sums up everything that Gurudev wants to teach us, that however difficult it is, we should try to see God not only in the forms that are living and moving, but also in inert forms. If Gurudev can see God even in the excreta and prostrate to even that object, at least we as his disciples should try and see God in those who are living and not hate anyone. I know it is very difficult because even from Gurudev's ashram, many of the senior people went away because they couldn't put that into practice. If we could see God, then we won't leave a place and run away from one place to the other and decide to change. See? There will be harmony in the house between husband and wife. There will be harmony in the ashrams also. So let us try to keep this ideal that Gurudev has given us, because when everything is said and done, however much we pray, however much we do sadhana, but if we still have a little hatred in our hearts, a little ill feeling, animosity for someone, it clearly indicates that there is something wrong with our sadhana. If we take the person that we like the least, that is the amount of love that we really have for God. Even though we might shed tears, but if we search in our hearts, the love and liking that we have for the least person, that is the amount of love that we really have for God. So let us keep this ideal in our minds and not dislike the people with whom we are living. It doesn't mean to say that we should not do our duty, that the parents should not admonish their children and should not punish them, but their attitude will be different. It will not be done with selfishness and with bitterness, with jealousy and with hatred. See, that is the difference. But if we have the feeling, then everything will change also outside. The whole angle of vision will change. See? It is the feeling that we've got to develop. I remember, anyway, I'll tell it to you. I was hesitating whether I should tell you, but I should. Very many years back when I was a youngster, we used to go with my mother to collect newspapers and sell them. So, ironically enough, the area now is an Indian area. It was Nisipingo, and we happened to go along the beach, which was reserved for the Europeans. And the European gentleman saw us there. We didn't know that it was reserved for them, and he chased me and he actually kicked me. And I had a great bitterness. I said that if I grow up, then I'll fight this racial discrimination. But now things are changed because our whole angle of vision is changed. We don't see anyone as Europeans or Indians or Africans, but we only see those who are moving towards God and those who are not moving towards God. In my own case, I only see two groups of people: those who are bhaktas of God, who are moving towards Him, and those who are not, who are bhaktas of God, who are not moving towards Him. So we don't see. When the scales are removed, then your whole angle of vision changes. But if the scales are not removed, then we see distinctions. Similarly, if we try, even if we fail, I know we all fail, but through repeated trials we can improve the average. And if we keep this in mind, if Gurudev can do that, surely we as disciples can improve a little bit. See? I know we might not be able to do what he is doing, but at least let us not have any bitterness, because every day we see, I talk to our people and try to bring the spiritual truth to them. You'll notice here one thing: the people who went and complained to Gurudev, he never called the other party and does any settlement. See? He wants us to change, the complainant to change, not the other man. See? Because however much we try, the other man is not going to change at all. No one can change anyone else. It's we who have to change. And Aurobindo and all gave the same. They never called the contending party, the other party, and said, "Why are you doing this?" The person who complained, he was the person who has to be taught. And Yogananda did the same thing. See? When two went to him with a complaint, he said, "Both of you must reform yourselves." That was his instruction. Aurobindo disciple, he was a very soft-hearted man. He used to work in the office. He was in charge of the office. And the boys used to give him a lot of trouble. But he will never scold them, but it will put him into a nervous state. And whole night he'll be walking on the roof in a nervous tension. And when he came to Aurobindo and told Aurobindo about the problem, Aurobindo never instructed any instructions to the office boys to reform themselves. He said, "You must change your nature. You must outgrow and strengthen your nerves, see, and not be affected by what the others do." See? So that is I had occasion to tell one of our Guru Bhais also that we must change and not worry about the other person. I've learnt one thing from running this ashram for so many years, that the only person in the world I can change is myself. At least I have some control of myself I can change, but I've given up the hope of changing anyone else. I don't think you can. So let us not worry, and let's keep this ideal. Whenever you're confronted, we are going to publish this in a book form, and I think I should select all these very beautiful anecdotes and parables for you so that when this problem arises, at least you can get some consolation by reading what Gurudev has to say. Because all have got to go to the mill, and running away is not going to do you any good whatsoever. See, running away from people who are troubling you is only going to postpone, because sooner or later that part of your nature is going to come out whether you like it or not, and you've got to fight it out. So while conditions are good for you, it is better that you do the sadhana right now and not leave it to a later stage, see, when you might have a serious downfall, as many are having.
जय जयकार हो। जय जय स्वामी ऋषिकेश वासा, आपका जय जयकार हो। शरण स्वामी शिवानंद जी की, सजन यही सवेरे आओ। शरण स्वामी शिवानंद जी की, सजन यही सवेरे आओ। हाथ जोड़ करते बिनती हम, तेरे ही चरणों पे शीश निभाओ। हाथ जोड़ करते बिनती हम, तेरे ही चरणों पे शीश निभाओ। जय जय स्वामी जय जय, जय जय स्वामी सद्गुरु नाना। तेरे ही गुण हम सब मिल गाओ। जय जय स्वामी सद्गुरु नाना। तेरे ही गुण हम सब मिल गाओ। शरण स्वामी शिवानंद जी की, सजन यही सवेरे आओ। शरण स्वामी शिवानंद जी की, सजन यही सवेरे आओ। स्वामी शिवानंद कह गए वाणी, स्वामी शिवानंद कह गए वाणी। स्वामी शिवानंद कह गए वाणी। स्वामी शिवानंद कह गए वाणी। Some of you purify, meditate, realize. Swami Shivananda कह गए वाणी। Some of you purify, meditate, realize. जय जय स्वामी जय जय, जय जय स्वामी ऋषिकेश वासा, आपका जय जयकार हो। भजुराधीशा। जय हरि बोलो जय सीताराम, गोपी गोपाल भजुराधीशा। बोलो राम 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 घनश्याम श्याम श्याम, बोलो राम 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 घनश्याम श्याम श्याम।
भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम, भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम, भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम, भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम। राम नाम के दो अक्षर में, राम नाम के दो अक्षर में,
राम नाम के दो अक्षर में तीन लोक चारों धाम। भजो रे भाई रघुराई तेरा पार करेंगे राम, भजो रे भाई रघुराई तेरा पार करेंगे राम। भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम, भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम, भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम, भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम। राम बिना कछु और न भाई, राम बिना कछु और न भाई। जब जब मन का धीरज टूटे, जब जब मन का धीरज टूटे, राम नाम होठों पर आए, राम नाम होठों पर आए। जब तक तन है ये जीवन है,
जब तक तन है ये जीवन है,
जब तक तन है ये जीवन है। कर ले बस ये काम, भजो रे भाई रघुराई तेरा पार करेंगे राम, भजो रे भाई रघुराई तेरा पार करेंगे राम। भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम, भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम, भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम, भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम। मेरे मन मंदिर के भीतर लखन सिया संग राम विराजे, मेरे मन मंदिर के भीतर लखन सिया संग राम विराजे। सावली सूरत जब जब देखो सासों का मंजीरा बाजे। बड़े भाग जो मेरे मैंने,
बड़े भाग जो मेरे मैंने,
ओ बड़े भाग जो मेरे मैंने पाया ये वरदान। भजो रे भाई रघुराई मेरा पार करेंगे राम, भजो रे भाई रघुराई मेरा पार करेंगे राम। भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम, भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम, भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम, भजले राम का नाम तो भजले राम नाम। सुर मुनि जिसकी महिमा गाते, सुर मुनि जिसकी महिमा गाते, जिसके चूड़े भर से ही तो, जिसके चूड़े भर से ही तो पत्थर भी जीवन पा जाते, पत्थर भी जीवन पा जाते। नाम उसी का रटता है मन,
नाम रखता है
ओ नाम उसी का रखता है मन। सुबह हो या शाम भजो रे भाई रघुराई, बेड़ा पार करेंगे राम। भजो रे भाई रघुराई, बेड़ा पार करेंगे राम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। पाप कटे मेरे जीवन के, प्राणों में छाया उजियारा। माया का सब मैल धो गई, राम नाम की पावन धारा। माया का सब मैल धो गई, राम नाम की पावन धारा। हे रघुनंदन तेरा वंदन,
हे रघुनंदन तेरा वंदन।
ओ हे रघुनंदन तेरा वंदन। शत शत तुझे प्रणाम। भजो रे भाई रघुराई, बेड़ा पार करेंगे राम। भजो रे भाई रघुराई, बेड़ा पार करेंगे राम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। धरती अंबर चांद सितारे, सब में है उसकी छाया। धरती अंबर चांद सितारे, सब में है उसकी छाया। एक वही सच है इस जग में, और सभी कुछ है बस माया। फिर काहे को करता है रे,
फिर काहे को करता है।
ओ फिर काहे को करता है रे, तू इतना अभिमान। भजो रे भाई रघुराई, बेड़ा पार करेंगे राम। भजो रे भाई रघुराई, बेड़ा पार करेंगे राम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। केवट को भी गले लगाया, केवट को भी गले लगाया। शबरी के झूठे बैलों में, शबरी के झूठे बैलों में। परम भक्ति का रस जो पाया, परम भक्ति का रस जो पाया। उसके लिए है एक बराबर,
उसके लिए है एक बराबर।
उसके लिए है एक बराबर। निर्धन और धनवान, भजो रे भाई रघुराई, बेड़ा पार करेंगे राम। भजो रे भाई रघुराई, बेड़ा पार करेंगे राम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम। भज ले राम का नाम, तू भज ले राम नाम।
The following are our announcements. We invite devotees and the public to join our online home satsangs via the links on our website. Sri Gurudev's birthday satsang will be held on Monday, 8th of February 2021. Online Ganga Aarti is at 5:30 p.m. followed by satsang. There will be Akhanda chanting from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Devotees are encouraged to participate in one or more of the hourly chanting slots. Our February yoga camp will be held on Sunday, 21st of February 2021 with a sadhana program from 6 to 9:45 a.m. Online lessons will be from 10 to 10:45 a.m. Topics include meditation, still the mind, and mantras and their meanings by the spiritual darlings of our Pietermaritzburg branch Sunday School. In view of the increase in the infection rate in the coronavirus pandemic in our country and the second wave, as well as for the good health of all, world peace, protection, and as a countermeasure to the hostile forces, we encourage all to continue with daily satsang, meditation, liquid japa, and chanting. Due to the second wave in the coronavirus pandemic, our ashrams and branches remain closed until further notice. Devotees and visitors are respectfully informed that visits to any of our ashrams or branches must be authorized by the Board of Management. We offer special prayers for all those who are ill, those who have lost loved ones, the departed, our frontline workers, and for world peace. We remind all devotees to follow all the COVID-19 protocols, guidelines, and the rules for lockdown so as to keep safe. Pujya Swamiji has given elaborate descriptions in our books of the value of the Mahamrityunjaya mantra, Agni-hotra, and Sri Hanuman Chalisa. Devotees are urged to continue with these practices regularly for their own safety and protection. Agni-hotra will also help to bring rain. As per Pujya Swamiji's advice, the Mahamrityunjaya mantra should be repeated all the time while driving. If we cannot repeat the mantra all the time, then repeat it as often as possible. It will help to prevent accidents, robberies, hijackings, and other calamities. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. 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 Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardanam Urvarukamiv Vandanam Mrityormukshyamamritat. 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 Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardanam Urvarukamiv Vandanam Mrityormukshyamamritat.
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षयमामृतात् 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षयमामृतात्
श्री सद्गुरुदेव की जय।
जय जय आरती विघ्न विनायक विघ्न विनायक श्री गणेशा जय जय आरती वेणुगोपाला वेणुगोपाला वेणुलोला जय जय आरती अंजनेया अंजनेया हनुमंता जय जय आरती दत्तात्रेय दत्तात्रेय त्रिमूर्ति अवतारा जय जय आरती सद्गुरुनादा सद्गुरुनादा भगवान शिवानंद सद्गुरुनाथ भगवान विश्वानंद जय जय आरती विघ्न विनायक। ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु सर्वेषां शान्ति भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। श्री सद्गुरु भगवान की जय।